Hello techies, I'm Divya here. On behalf of CyberBrainer, don't you think the world of tech is evolving faster than ever? Now is the perfect time to dive in and build the skills that will take you places. With CyberBrainer, we are putting you in the driver's seat of your own future. We at CyberBrainer don't just teach your interest. We believe that knowledge is power, but it's applied knowledge that truly sets you apart. Whether you're diving into data science, mastering artificial intelligence, or exploring the world of cybersecurity, our courses are designed to give you the skills that matter. So let's jump into the session and make the future yours today. Thank you.
Next, we will see the delivery completion indicator. These delivery completion indicators happen three ways. For example, I ordered 100 and I received 100. What happened? See, I put automatically. Second thing is I ordered 100 and I received 50. Now I want to close auto closure when doing the GRN. And third one is you can directly put DC line MM 22N for the closure. These things, we can do all the three different ways of making the delivery completion indicator in the purchase order. We'll see. Go back. I'll create. I'll meet on tomorrow. I maintain the three-line terms. I showed the three scenarios for you. The last scenario, if I want to close, I'll say the speed. Good. I'll change. I'm going to turn it on. If you want to close this, people automatically. What you need to do is every to come to delivery tab. And you need to deliver completion indicators. Before that, you see how much total quantity is 20. 21, and I'll put this here. Now go and check. Now it is still to deliver quantity. How much it become? Because for one line item I make it as a DC. Click. This is the directly. If you want to close the purchase order, you can close it. Second one is, if you want to do the GR and slash, I'm going to go. But she's order. For line item 1, I'm taking the full quantity. But line item 20, how much I'll take? I'll take only. Now I want to close this PO automatically in the back end. How will do go to? That's the order tab. This is like a automatically setting. Data is there. This need to change as a manual. And let me turn to 3. And now you go and see. Still to deliver, quantity becomes 0. 6 quantities. Initially 1 quantity. I make it as a DC event when creation of PO. Another 5 items. We maintain the DCA. If you go and check in the purchase order street, you can have it. There's no purchase order street. I have for Larry to see. See, you can see. We did the 5. Counting how much. And we did the 5. It is closer when doing the. And once you reach the 5, automatically close. There is a scenario like, see how much you are to quantity, how much the result is equal. System put automatically DCA. This is the scenario where I ordered 100. I take it in 50, like there we test it as a 1095. When doing the GR, we put manually that delivery competition indicator. Manon said. Now we'll do multiple stock locations. There is an indication called as a distribution quantity. For us today, I want to go to understand that. Do a quality in that we block. Here you can change quality inspection. Before that I can reach in the store. See, now it is unesticated in 188 quality. There is no stock. When block also the stock is 0. Got posted. Every time the accounting documents will be generated. You know what is understood how much to. That is how much that. And you can see blocked. This is like how we'll take the stock into multiple stocks. Let unrestricted quality and block. This is one of the scenario. The next is a GR block. What is mean by here? Block stock is like whenever they want to take the stock. What they do is they directly don't put the stock into your block. I'm the stick to stuff. What we will do is they will take into the GR block and stock, which is a temporary. And at that time there is no accounting documents will be generated. Again, I'll create the people. Now I created a PO. No, I'll do the GR, but I'm not using the GR as a 1. Not one moment. I will take that stock as a 103. See, there is no location when the stock is there. Once I'm checking this, now you can see the material document is generated. You go and display. There is no accounting document will be generated. And there is no stock updated. And the stock will be updated as a GR block. Go and see. Now stock is updated as a GR block and stock. And there is no accounting document. Now, like once, I had done the GR block and stock. Now I want to release this block. Then we need to use as a 805 and generally this is a scenario like you want. You don't want to directly put the stock into your location. Once you take the stock at your gate level, then that guy will take as a 103. That guy want to move the stock to like the destination. Then we will do the 105 in the destinations. See, now stock has come to unrestricted and you can see the GR block and stock is more properly. Now what will happen? How the one moment type is done? The same moment types, the moment indicators will be applied here. Like stock is received. Material document is generated. Accounting documents are generated. Whatever the 1 moment type is done, that's the moment types will be a material. This is the GR. Now we will see reversal. See now, for example, from 101, you've taken a stock and you want to do reverse. In 101, what you do, stock you received here. If you do 102, stock is removed from your location. Where you take the stock into thing, that 101, the same thing. It will be cancelled in the 102. No. I've taken a stock now. I want to return. Same thing. It is coming. What I'll do the cancellation. No 101. We did and 102. The stock will be removed. Before that, we see the stock. How much it is there? It is there. How much? Now we will do 102, one type, and the stock will be removed. And post it. No, again, you see the stuff. Come to display. Initially it is a 533. Now the stock is 3 to 8. That 200 stock is removed in the reversal. Generally, whatever you received, you want to cancel it, and you can make it the cancel total cost, total amount of the content. There is one more concept called as a returns. Returns can be happened partially. Now you want to do the returns. Returns will be happens partially also. Like we take in 100. Now we want to do the partial quantities. 50. But cancellation won't allow you to change the quantity. Cancellation can be happened totally. End of the day, like we are removing the stock here. But in the cancellation, we need to cancel the full quantity. But in the returns, you can do it. The partial. This is like how the returns will be handled. The next is a free people. Return people. We'll create a return people. Same date. Just will update as a return indicator. Once you put as a return indicator, what will happen directly? The stock is removed from the you can see the 161. Here also the stock is removed. If you go and check in MMB, it is a 383. Now it will be 382 after the document is posted. This is like how the stock is removed from the different moment. I've seen. And now we'll discuss about the stock transfers. Here we see reversal returns and the cancel. Now we see the stock moment. Generally, the stock moment is happening like how many types of stock we have and restricted. If you want to move the stock from quality to unrestricted, quality to unrestricted, what is the moment type? 321. Again, you want to move the stock from unrestricted to quality. Return. And if you want to move the stock from quality to blocker, much T50. Blocker to quality. 340. 350 of what? 350. Next is unrestricted to blocker. 344. Blocker to unrestricted. These are the different moment types here. Generally stock moments, how we want to do. The stock from unrestricted to quality means that we can go the needle. Transfer posting. How much stock? I want to move. I want to move the 10 stock. Check. Now you see. Before moving that one. How much stock is there in quality? 30. Now I am moving stock from unrestricted to quality. You come, you can check out. You know the stock is coming from unrestricted to quality. Quality to moment type. How we do? Similar fashion, if you want to move from quality to unrestricted again, you can move it. It's posted. You can see the file is removed from the quality stock now. Again it will have it to unrestricted. This is like the stock moments will be happen from the unrestricted to quality to unrestricted. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel.